Hey guys, what's up? Hope everybody's good. Sorry about the late upload and stuff like that. Been a little bit hectic trying to change over to this new camera and stuff like that. But yeah, anyway, you know what time it is, right? It's time for a new cocktail. And the cocktail that we're making today is called the Lemongrass Martini. Stay tuned. Starting this cocktail off, we'll be adding some lemongrass leaves, a little bit of lemon juice. We're gonna muddle it. And to that we're gonna add 2 ounces of vodka. Now, one of the main reasons why I use triple sec in this cocktail is because for some reason triple sec has a very similar taste to the lemongrass. So, an ounce of triple sec. Because martinis are usually made without ice, it's best to chill the glass, as I've already did. You can do that by either adding ice to the glass itself or add some cool water, let it sit for like a minute or 2. It'll be perfectly chilled. So now we're gonna add some ice to the shaker. And shake. Now we're gonna strain it to the glass. And garnish with a lemongrass twist. And there it is, another great cocktail with simple, easy to find ingredients. Looks good. Tastes good? Yeah man. Hey, if you like this cocktail, just give the video a like. And don't forget to share it with all your friends because I'm sure they want to learn how to make this very simple cocktail as well. And also, if there's any cocktail you want to see me make, just put it in the comments below and I'll make it for you shortly, no problem. I hope you all enjoy your day. Keep it legendary. See you guys next time.